about my personal information. My name is Jesus Edgardo Picon Diaz. I am from Colombia and live in Bogota City. I am health administration student. I speak Spanish. I am 18 years old. I like to train triathlon. I don't like to watch TV. And I am a student health management. I am going to tell you about my daily routine. Usually wake up at 5 o'clock a.m. After that, I train at 8 o'clock a.m. I was ready to study my house and something. I go to university lab for practice. When the practice ends, in routine to my house. For this, I go to how about for Restrepo never job. When arrive at my home, I often lunch or eat fruit to obtain energy and do my homework. Finally, at night, I am very tired, so usually I drink and rest. For this, I hardly ever watch TV. I prefer read a good book to end the day. Thank you.